Chase Bank versus Bank of America. I'm going to compare Chase Bank and Bank of America. Chase Bank and Bank of America are two prominent banks with extensive services. Chase, part of JP Morgan, Chase & Co., offers a wide range of products, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, mortgages, and investment options. It is known for its broad branch and ATM network across the U.S. and is a highly rated mobile app with budgeting tools and account alerts. Chase also provides personalized financial services through its Chase Private Client program. Bank of America, with its extensive branch and ATM network, offers similar services including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, loans, and investment services. It stands out for its advanced online and mobile banking platforms, featuring tools like the virtual assistant Erica, customizable alerts, and robust budgeting features. Bank of America also offers a rewards program with its credit cards and specialized services for businesses. Both banks provide comprehensive banking services with strong digital tools. Chase is noted for its user-friendly app and wide network, while Bank of America is recognized for its advanced digital features and rewards programs.